Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and QQQ gapping down, and so does Tesla. SPY currently trading between yesterday's close and the pre-market low area. Going into market open, I'm more bearish than bullish, but I'll wait until market open to see how both SPY and QQQ reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have over 10 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. $620, I'm trying to get in. Come in. Selling one at 640. If it makes a new high, I'll get out. $530 I got in. Oh, I just got in one. Out for now. On my first trade, I failed to cut my loser quickly. I gave it some time. SPX again failing around 3,800. Trying again. No reason to go short now. $530. I'm in. I'll be looking to add stop around 380. Stop would be around the entry 530. Volume is not coming in. Can it break? Selling. Got out at 580. It may go down. Exactly. This was the flush I was looking for and I just sold it. Frustrating there. SPX again testing 3,800. I may have to restrict myself from taking breakdown setups because there is a lot of fake out happening. My first trade was a breakdown setup and I got in near the low. It tried a bounce and then failed. So I should be looking at rebound setups instead of breakdown setups. It's actually not helping me to take breakdown setups as we are not getting good follow through on breakdowns. Trying to get in around 620. Got that pull back. Breakout. Out for now. That was a decent trade. Got that pull back and then rode that move up. I sold because there is some resistance around this area. I think I may have to live with a $100 loser for today. Over 1 hour since I started trading. So normally I'm done by 30 minutes, but today I traded for an extra 30 minutes. I was trying to be green and probably that's not a good reason to extend trading. No good setups. Markets are really slow. So I think it would be better to book a $100 loser and call it a day. Overall, not a great day of trading. Closing the day red, $100. But as I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.